Hello, friends. You know, it is very interesting because lately I have seen a major trend with lots of people globbing on to this new foot fetish trend. It is a trendy thing and it is a sexy thing. And I think people are starting to see that it's more mainstream because of the legitimacy and security of FeetFinder.com. So you guys have been commenting on our channel. Thank you so much. And there's one comment in particular that really got me thinking, gosh, we should do a video about this. So someone commented, I'd like to give a shout out. Hey out there, Amy Beacon, who put this on the comments a few days ago. We're so happy that you're interacting with us. And Amy asked, I would like to see a video on common words, terms, phrases, abbreviations, and so on that are used in the foot community when it comes to selling content. Example, SD equals sugar daddy. Okay, Amy, what a good question. So obviously Amy is requesting that we give some context and give some glossary sort of terms of different foot fetish communications. So I've actually invited my friend Charlotte. Charlotte, come on in. Hello, Amber. Hi. Thank you so much for asking me to be a part of this broadcast. Charlotte and I have known each other for a really long time. And Charlotte, I know that you love feet and you also have delved into the world of foot fetishism. Me and Pookie, we love feet, don't we? Yes, paws up. So I have got a quiz for you. And if you get it right, we are going to award you $100. I could really use the money. I think it's also really important because when you're talking about feet glossary terminology, I think it's important to point out because the feet community language is something that is a community. That's exactly what it is. It's a bunch of people who are trying to communicate together and bring each other together for the sake of their feet. You know, in college, I actually looked into selling foot pictures myself, but I got real bad bunions. But there is a market for that if anyone else has got them out there. I have invited my friend who's gonna guess the word using the emoji challenge. So Charlotte, we're gonna put some emojis up on the screen and then you have to guess what it is. And if you get 5 of them correct, you get $100. So, what kind of words that you got for me here? Let me put my little Pookie down. Oh, just a Pookie. Ladies and gentlemen, here are some commonly used terms inside the feet community. All right, show me the pictures. What do we got here? That's a foot band, and age, as in getting older, like me, my gray hair, right? Foot, band, age. Foot bondage. Bravo, that is correct. Yeah! That's right, Charlotte. Foot bondage is the act of tying, restraining, or otherwise restricting the movement of feet. Ooh. What do we got next? We got toe plus tie. Toe tie? That's right, Charlotte. Toe tie. All right. Toe tie is a type of foot bondage that involves tying the toes together. We're hot. Pookie, we're hot, aren't we? Yeah, that's right. All right, number 3. Hug plus tie. Hog tie. Amber, please explain, what is a hog tie? You don't know what hog tie is? Beginner. Hog tie is a type of foot bondage that involves tying the ankles and the wrists together behind the back and immobilizing the feet. Ooh, this is a toughie, number 4. Okay. Foot plus work minus the K. Foot were plus little tiny ship. Foot worship. Foot worship. Right again. All right. That is correct. Foot worship is the act of showing affection or devotion to someone's feet. It often involves kissing, licking, or massaging, or all three. Foot plus tickling. That's an easy one. Foot tickling. Correct again. Ding, 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 ding. Foot tickling is tickling someone's feet as a form of erotic stimulation. That's foot plus moth plus earring. Foot plus moth earring. Foot smothering. Number 1, yes. Foot smothering is using one's feet to cover and restrict somebody's breathing. Foot plus cuffs. Foot cuffs. Foot cuffs. Similar to handcuffs, but designed to fit around the ankles to restrain movement. I once had a cop put me in some foot cuffs. I'm not going to tell you what I did. Let's go. No whammy, big money. That's toe plus socks. Toe socks. Toe socks. Oh, I love toe socks. Those are so great in the winter. You can move those digits independently. It's like magic. Toe socks are the bomb. Toe socks are designed to cover each toe individually. They're often used in foot bondage to help separate and immobilize toes. That's foot plus stalks. Foot stalks. Foot stalks. Now this was a new one for me. I don't know what that is. Could you please explain it? Foot stalks is a wooden or metal device designed to secure the ankles in a fixed position. It's often used in medieval or historical BDSM scenes. Is this the last one, Amber? That's foot plus rest plus reins. Foot plus rest, reins. Foot restraints. Foot restraints. Foot restraints are a type of restraint designed to limit the movement or the position of your feet, such as ankle cuffs, toe ties, or harnesses. Yeah! All right. I got them all right. Round of applause for Charlotte. All right. Gosh, thank you so much for asking me to do this. It's been so much fun. I knew that you would do awesome on this, and I'm so happy that you could win your $100. I'm a winner. I'm a winner. Go Amber. Go Amber. Thank you so much. I had such a good time with you. So there you have it, my friends. Those are the common feet terms used in the feet community that you need to know if you're going to be involved at FeetFinder.com. You want to join the fun? Well, of course you do. So go to FeetFinder.com and start mingling with other community members. Start right now by leaving a comment down below. If you've got some lingo that maybe we're not familiar with, please share it with us. I want to know. Let your feet do the exploration for you. Bye now.